Welcome! In front of me I have OPPO band, and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this device. Before we start, if you want to set up the alarm clock on your smartband needs to be paired with a phone via the Health application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the Health application on our phone. In the app, we can tap on Manage. Here, tap on Alarms. And right here we have a list of alarms we can enable or disable by tapping on the switch. We can tap on the alarm to customize it, edit it basically. We can change the time by swiping up and down, minutes. We can tap on label to change the name of the alarm. For some reason, or you can't use more than 4 letters, I see, okay. So let's change it to yes, and then go back. Then tap on repeat if you want to change the days on which the alarm is gonna be active, and you can select the days by tapping on the boxes to check them or uncheck them. So for example, I want this alarm to work on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. And then tap save to save it. And here we have the option vibrate, and we can select for how long the smartband will be vibrating for when the alarm is activated. And you can select 60 seconds, 30, 15, and 5. Let's select 60, then tap save, and then tap on save to save the alarm. And here we have our alarm. As you can see, you can also add a new alarm if you want to by tapping on add alarm. And again, customize the options. And then tap on save. And here we have it. And we can also remove the alarm by tapping on the option or on the alarm we want to remove. Then tap on delete alarm and tap on delete. Like that. Okay. You can also check your alarms on the smartband, so you can wake up the screen on your smartband by tapping on it, swipe up or down on the screen to scroll through the menu, find the option called Tools, tap on it, scroll down, tap on Alarms, and here we have the list of alarms, and we can enable them or disable them. But if you want to add and remove the alarms, you need to use the Health application. Okay, and that's how you set up the alarm clock on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.